Dominoes also has come, which is very good. Now, we'll have to concentrate on resistivity. Next problem. Let us go to the next problem. Start. Easier compared to the previous one. It is easier compared to the previous one. So I want all of you to give me this answer.
Sir, this is from Parishana textbook, na?
Correct. We are doing always one level up. Okay. We are not doing 11th and 11th and all is for 11th standard people. We are like 12th standard. I got one answer, which is correct. I got two answers. Worry and worry. So yes, good answers. Others, please try to answer. Mano, correct. Very good. Soumya, correct. Good. Rutvik, very good. I think all of you are giving me the right answer. Answer is 2 into 10 power minus 7. If you're getting that answer is right. 2 into 10 power minus 7. Aditya, Rebecca, correct. 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, now I will show you the answer on the screen. Okay, let us start step by step. Listen. A negligibly small current is passed through a wire of length 15 meter. That means, can I say length is equal to 15 meter, and length is given in SI unit itself, so I don't need to convert it, which is correct. And uniform cross section 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter square. Therefore, area is 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter square. Therefore, even area is in SI unit, I don't need to convert. And its resistance is measured to be 5 ohm. Therefore, resistance is measured to be 5 ohm. What is the resistivity of the material at the temperature? Now, I know the formula for resistivity. Rho is equal to RA by L. Rho is equal to RA by L. That means, what is it? R. What is R? 5 into area is 6 into 10 power minus 7 upon L is 15 meter. Okay. So now can I say 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore, can I say resistivity is 2 into 10 power minus 7. Therefore, the answer is 2 into 10 power minus 7 ohm meter. Tell me, are you getting this? All of you? Are you getting this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll leave it on for 1 minute and then we go to the next question. This is actually from your 12th standard NCERT textbook, but 11th standard HSC textbook. Got it? Now, how it is done in the module, it is done like this. Same way, just look at it and tell me if you understand how they have done it. They have done step by step, just read it, quickly go through. And this is how you have to write in the exam also. You will not get any extra marks, but it will look good. Okay, that. Unit is very important. Don't forget to write the unit. Resistivity means ohm meter, and the most common mistake what people do is they just write ohm and they leave the answer. You might also have done the same thing. Just check. It is ohm meter. It is not resistance. It is resistivity. That is why please be careful with the unit. Clear? We'll try one more. We'll try one more. Now you got it. Now let us try a different type. Different type, little higher level now. Start. I will not give you any clue right now. I will give you the clue once I start giving you the solution. Okay, now start. Think about what is given, but the formula remains the same. Means rho is equal to RA by L is same. One clue I will give you, just one clue. A is area, and you know the formula for area is pi r square. Do you know all of you? Formula for area is pi r square. Therefore, instead of A, I have to do pi r square. That is the only clue. Start. Okay. Now let me start. Let me start and tell me if you have understood. Listen to this. Huh. A constantan wire of length 50. That means my length is 50 centimeter. Tell me, do I have to convert it into meter? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
Yes, sir.
no?
50 into
So
10 raised to
50
minus 2.
centimeter is correct. Can I say 50 centimeter can be written as 50 into 10 power minus 2? All of you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and diameter is 0.4 millimeter. Therefore, listen to me carefully. If diameter is 0.4 millimeter, can I say radius will be 0.2 millimeter. If diameter
Yes,
is
sir.
0.4 millimeter, can I say radius will be 0.2 millimeter? Normal substitution. Now 0.2 millimeter, can I write it as 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter? Can I write it like this? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? No. If the resistivity of Constantine is 5 into 10 power minus 7, if the resistivity of Constantine is 5 into 10 power minus 7, calculate the value of the resistor. Clear? I have just understood the question and I've written the data, whatever I felt was the right data. Now, please look at the screen. Please look at the screen carefully. Now I know resistivity formula is RA by L. From this formula, R is equal to rho L by A. So can I write this as rho L upon pi R square? Can I write it like this? Can I write the formula like this? Can I write instead of area pi R square? Think of it, all of it. Now tell me in this formula, look at the screen, look at the screen. Do I know the value for rho? Yes, the value for rho. Do I know the value for L? I know the value for L. Pi, keep it as pi only. Do I know the value of radius? Yes, I know the value of radius. Can I say in this formula, you know each and every term? You just have to simplify and give me the answer. Start. You just have to simplify and give me the answer. So start doing it. I'm doing one more step further. I'm doing one more step further so that you understand. Look at this. R is equal to rho. See what is the value for rho? 5 into 10 power minus 7 into L. What is L? 50 into 10 power minus 2 upon pi into R square. What is radius? 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square. What the answer? I'll take one more step. Look at the screen. I'll do one more step. Look at the screen. R is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 into 50 into 10 power minus 2 divided by, look at the screen, 5 into 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square. How do you do it? Look at this. 0.2 the whole square is 0.2 into 0.2. And 10 power minus 3 the whole square will be 10 power minus 6, because in 10 power they multiply. Don't write it as 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 3 the whole square means 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3. Now 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 is 10 power minus 6. Therefore, this is the next step. Continue.
So 10 raised to minus 6 you got by multiplying 3 into 2.
No, 10 power minus 3 the whole square. What is 10 power minus 3 the whole square? 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3, correct? Now 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 will be 10 power minus 6. That way. See here, look at the screen. 10 power minus 3 the whole square, I can write it as 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3. Now over here, minus 3 and minus 3 will become minus 6. That is what I have written here. And 0.2 the whole square is 0.2 into 0.2. That way I have written. Check.
Understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Look at the screen again, everyone. In the numerator, R equal to, look at this, in the numerator, R equal to 5 into 50 as it is. Look at this. 5 into 50 as it is into, tell me, what is 10 power 7 into 10 power minus 2? What is it? 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus. Can I say
10
it is
raised to
10
minus 9.
Can I say it is 10 raised to minus 9? Divided by, look at this. Pi as it is. Everyone please look at the screen. Pi as it is into 0.2. Can I write it as 2 into 10 power minus 1? Think about it. 0.2, can I write it as 2 into 10 power minus 1? Because 0.2 is 2 by 10. 0.2 is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 can be written as 2 into 10 power minus 1. Again into 0.2. Can I write it again as 2 into 10 power minus 1? Into 10 power minus 6. If I take 10 power minus 6 to the top, can I write it as plus 6 on the top? Just check my simplification of this step. That means from this step, how I came to this step, tell me if everyone has understood. Check step by step and check term by term. Getting it, all of you?
Sir, I didn't understand the 0.2 part.
See,
Yes.
yeah. So 0.2, can I write it as 2 by 10? This much you know how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 by 10, if I take 10 to numerator, can I say it will become 2 into 10 power minus 1? Therefore, 0.2 became 2 into 10 power minus 1. That is what I have done over here. 0.2 has become 2 into 10 power minus 1. Check.
Understood.
Right.
Thank you.
And 0.2 has come twice. Therefore, for one 0.2, 2 into 10 power minus 1. For another 0.2, another 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 10 power minus 6, I put it to the numerator, so it became plus 6.
Is the answer 6.24 upon pi?
No, pi is not. I'll tell you. Till here, everyone clear? Can I go to the next step then? Can I go to the next step? Now, look at the numerator. R is equal to 5 into 50 into. Tell me, what is 10 power minus 9 plus 6? What is 10 power minus
4 minus 3.
10 power minus 3 divided by pi as it is 2 into 2. Yes, we can write. No problem. 2 into 2 is 4 into, tell me, 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 1. What will you get?
10 power minus 2.
1,
minus
10 power minus 2. Easy. So come till this step. And then we go to the next step. Now it is easy simplification. So you should be able to do it. Okay, now look at this. Everyone look at this. R is equal to phi as it is. Instead of 50, can I write it as phi into 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 3? That is the numerator. I'll repeat what I did in the numerator. Phi as it is. Phi as it is. 10 power minus 3 as it is. Instead of 50, I took as phi into 10 power 1. Denominator, let me write it as it is. Pi into 4 into power minus 2. Now can you simplify and tell me what should be the final answer?
Sir, at the end, do we have to substitute the value of pi?
Keep the value of pi as it is, no problem. Or if you want, you can substitute. But I would say you can keep the value of pi as it is. It will not matter. But you have to mention where pi is equal to 22 by 7. That you have to mention. Now everyone please look at the screen again. I'm doing one more step further. What is 10 power 1 and 10 power minus 3?
10 power minus 2.
10 power minus 2. So look at the screen. Therefore, R is equal to 5 into 5 is 25 into 10 power minus 2 upon pi into 4 into 10 power minus 2. Correct? Tell me yes or no.
yes,
Correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now please look at the
Yes,
screen.
sir.
10 power minus 2 and 10 power minus 2 will cancel. Therefore, I will get the answer as 25 by 4 by ohm. Leave it like this, no problem. But if you go to simplify, it is almost 2 ohm. Check. I'll tell you why it is almost 2 ohm. What is 4 into pi? Think about it. What is 4 into pi? 4 into 3 point something. 4 into 3 point something is 12 point something. Correct? 12 point something in the denominator. Look at the screen. 12 point something in the denominator. 12 point something ones are, 12 point something twos are 25. Therefore, can I say my answer is almost 2 ohm? But if I go to the exact calculation, I will get 1.98 ohm. But you can leave the answer like this. If you're getting this step, very good. Tell me, how many of you are getting this right?
Sir, I got the correct answer.
Yeah, so if I show you on the, see here, this is how they have done. They have done directly and they have substituted the value of pi. You don't need to do it. They have also got the answer almost equal to 2 ohm. Check. Because 25 by 4 pi is actually almost equal to 2 ohm itself. But you can leave the answer. Now, when you leave the answer like this, 25 by 4 pi, you have to write where pi equal to 22 by 7. You have to write like that, where pi is equal to 22 by 7. Is it clear, all of you? Where pi is equal to 22 by 7.
Sir, I had a doubt in the calculation which you have done. Sir, for 50, you have written as 5 into 10 raised to 1. But sir, can we write as 5 into 10 raised to into 10 instead of writing 1?
Means no writing this, only this 5 into 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, no problem. Then 10 into 10 power minus will anyway become 10 power minus 2. That is fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it? This is my calculation. Now, if you see in the module, they have given short and sweet calculation. But that does not give you any answer because they have directly jumped the steps. You know why? Because people are making the module, they are making it with calculator in their hand. Now, you don't have calculator in your hand, but you have calculator in your mind. So to do it and do step by step. And I've seen many students doing rough work. Okay, in the exam paper, they put one like this column and they write rough work. And all the calculation they do here. Why are you doing that? Are you doing a personal home calculation, your home budget, all that? No, you're doing calculation is required in the problem itself. Are you doing your own random calculation? No. Why don't do it as rough work? Show it like this, how I have shown. Now, many students get afraid to show this step by step. Sir, it will come to 2 pages. Let it come. Pages are given by them only. You're not carrying pages. Okay, in your main exam. Okay, that is why any calculation you do, even 2 into 2, don't do it in rough work. Show it to them that you're doing it. Provided you're doing your own personal calculation. My mom gave me 100 rupees, dad gave me 50 rupees, I spent here. That you do it in rough work. But anything related to the problem, show it. Like how I showed it, step by step, you also show it. And in every step, even if you do one simplification, like over here, I have done only 50 as 5 into 10 power 1. No problem. Keep it. And the other psychology, more pages you fill, more marks you will get, which is not true in 11th standard and 12th standard. More pages you fill, you will not get. In 10th standard, your English, Hindi and all you would get. But now that also was online. But I think you understood in school, correct? How you used to fill pages. Superb. I have seen your 8th standard papers. Such big, same question paper, other student is so thin. That means you have expanded so much. And the way you write active voice, passive voice is excellent, all of you. Okay. A body of mass m is taken. Full stop. Let m be the mass of the body. We are denoting mass by m over. 3 sentence, same thing. Active voice, passive voice. Again, one more thing. Active voice, passive voice. At the end of the page, nothing is known. We are just taking a body of mass m. But okay, going ahead. But I'll tell you other things how to save space. In 11th standard, all this won't matter. In 11th standard, even this will give you full marks. Even my method will give you full marks, provided the answer is correct. And unit, if you don't mention, you will lose half mark. Half mark you will lose if you don't mention unit. Now, if your answer is wrong and unit is correct, don't say I should get half mark. Then you don't get any marks. You get marks for the unit only if you write the answer correctly. If you write the answer wrong and tell my unit is correct, give me marks, they will not give you marks. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. I have 7 minutes in this session, and in 7 minutes, you all have to complete one problem. Okay, and the problem is see this. Very easy, very nice, solve. Let me give you the data. Okay, the data is the resistivity of nichrome is 10 power minus 6. That means resistivity is automatically given as 10 power minus 6. What length of a uniform wire of this material and of 0.2 millimeter diameter? So please look at the screen. Diameter is 0.2 millimeter. Therefore, can I say radius is 0.1 millimeter? Because radius is half of diameter. But again, radius is not given in SI unit. Therefore, radius is 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Now, can I say I have written the radius in SI unit? Will have a resistance of 200 ohm. Means resistance is given as 200 ohm. I have to find the length. I have to find L. So since you have done the previous problem, this problem has to be easier. So start. I have given you the data on the screen. Therefore, I know the formula rho is equal to RA by L. From this formula, can I write L is equal to RA by rho? Can I write this formula? L is equal to RA by rho, or can I write it as R into pi r square upon rho? Can I write it as R into pi r square upon rho? And now you have to substitute all the values. Start. Soumya, correct. 2 pi. 2 pi.
Yes, sir, correct.
What the answer? Anyone? I'll do it. I'll do it step by step. You try to get the answer first. Okay, I'll do one more step over here where rho is equal to R is 200 into pi into radius square. Radius is 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square divided by rho. Rho is what? This is my next step. Got it. Anyone answer? I have given you one simplification. I will continue with the simplification. Before that, I want you to tell me. I have got 4 answers only. I have shown you the simplification. You just have to continue the simplification. Shreya, your answer might be right. Huh. Okay. Soumya, correct. Very good. Okay. Aditya, check. Worry now, correct. Shreya, correct. Worry, correct. Aditya. No, little calculation mistake, Aditya. Okay, no problem. I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay, I will do it. So for that, all of you log off and log into the final session. I will show you how to continue. Okay, log off and log. Soumya, save this file as well. Okay.